Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to guide you how to make a wireframe in Miro tool. Many of you guys wants to become a business analyst, product analyst. For that role, this wireframe skill is very important. Also, it's a very easy and simple tool. It's a free tool. For this tool, you just need a Google account. After that, you can use it. Watch the video till the end. You will get the complete understanding of what is wireframe and how to use the Miro tool, everything. Without any further delay, let's start this video. So guys, this is the Miro tool. The Google, if you type Miro tool, it shows like this. Once you click that, we have to log in. So I just log in with my Gmail account. One second. Oh, this is not the one. Here you can see the Google sign up. Yeah. So after login, this comes like this. Now we have to select the new board. Okay. So once you select the new board, uh, you will land into the board page. So here it shows a flow chart, mind map, lot of options. We don't need that because basically we are going to build a wireframe for mobile insurance application. Uh, so yeah, so once you enter this page, in the left side you can see more applications. Now I'm finding wireframe library because there we can find lot of icons like this. So I'm selecting mobile view. Okay. So in the mobile view, first page is login screen. Okay. So in the login, generally we have some idea, right? That login, what are the things we are going to bring? First is username, and then second is password. After that, finally, it's a login button. So we can reduce the size. Okay. So after that, so I'm just now giving the name. You have to click the text, and here you can give it first as the username. I'm increasing the size. This is the username. Uh, this is a password. After that, inside we can give login, and then here we can log in. Some people have the account, some people don't have the account. If any new user is coming, they can log in through their Gmail also. Okay, so I'm just segregating the text. Okay, here we are giving two options. So again, taking another shape. So yeah. So now I'm going to find Gmail or else Google symbol. So I'm taking this icon. Okay. So we can uh, sign in with Google. So Google. So guys, generally, why a wireframe is important is instead of thousand words, like one wireframe is easy to communicate what we are expecting, what we are telling. Okay, especially with your clients and other internal stakeholders, you can easily communicate. You can share your perspective with them. So that's why wireframe is very important. So yeah, now this is the login screen. So see, I'm telling you for only for high level. Even we can make the separate screen for forgot of password and sign up with Google. So we can do that also, but I don't want to go that much deeply. So that's why I'm making only one login screen. Here I'm adding forgot password also. Okay. 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 So now the second screen is that is the main dashboard. So in my perspective, I am going to add some things in the dashboard. So basically, we are building this application for bike and car insurance. Okay. So then, what are the things we can do is first, uh, in my perspective, generally, if you log in, it will welcome you, like welcome Ashwin, and again, I am adding my profile here. Okay. So after that, I'm adding one box. Actually, this tool is very easy also compared to other tools. Uh, some companies they give the license for Figma or Miro. It depends upon the companies. If you are familiar with any one of the tool, so basically idea is very important. Okay, these things you can learn within a 1 or 2 days. So it's about how you are thinking. That's a matter. Now you people have some question like how this guy is directly making the dashboard without any research. So basically, before I make this video, I have watched some videos and some applications. How the dashboard is coming, especially Acno insurance application and policy bazaar. What are the things they are bringing in the main dashboard? That's why I'm making this. Okay. So as a BA, we also do this. If any client is coming for any with any requirement, generally we have to do some lot of analysis. Even though if you are adding one icon, you should know why you are adding, and you should have always a proper validation, or else a client or team will won't accept that. So after that, generally in dashboard we add these things, four icons below. One is home, another one is policy. For that, I'm taking this voice icon, and then search. Here they can discover about this application, and then support. Yeah. So after that, I am also in the box. Also, we can add the text. What the thing is, car insurance. So I'm reducing the font size, and then this is upgrade, upgrade your car, and then car navigation. So these are the functionalities we are giving in the dashboard. Okay. So I'm giving name below also. So this is the home, and this is the policy, discover. So right now, don't worry about this functionality, right? This is just a wireframe. Okay. Now we don't need to worry about technically. When you are working on the real project, then you should have the proper validation why you are making this. So and then second screen is first one is for bike, second one is for first one is for car, second one is for bike. So how we can highlight is I'm giving the gray color. Maximum you can use gray only. Apart from that, please don't use any colors because it's a wireframe. Prototype is the different. That is the actual functionality. For example, if I click the login button, that login button should work in the prototype. But in wireframe, we don't need to worry about that. Mostly prototype will be taken care of by designers. So BAs don't need to worry about prototype. So that is so here I'm giving it bike car. Okay. So yeah, totally for now we made three screens. So another screen is for support, uh, not support, that is for profile. So again, I'm clicking the wireframe library and I'm removing this and adding another. So again, this final page is for profile. So again, I'm adding my name and my mobile number. So Ashwin. So below I'm adding the contact numbers. Blah blah blah. Okay. So after that, again I'm just adding some boxes. I'm just copying this. One right. I'm taking this icons also. Okay. Okay. Fine. So this might be first one is personal details, and then second is vehicles. If we have multiple vehicles, we can see that, and then address, and then KYC. Obviously, for insurance, we have to submit our KYC documents, right? We can see that, and then here privacy policy. Every application should have a privacy policy and terms and conditions. This is for manage accounts. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to add the icons also for personal details. I'm again adding this icon only. After that, for vehicles, we can use car. I'm using this one. See, guys, now you have the idea, right? How what is wireframe and how to make. It's very simple actually. I'm adding the locations also, and then KYC. So I'm taking this for privacy. This is not the actual icon, but again, I'm just taking it for, and then manage accounts. So here they can manage multiple accounts. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is the wireframe for insurance applications. Now I hope you guys have some idea what is wireframe. So after this video, you also take any random application, WhatsApp, Instagram, anything, whatever your favorite application, take that and try to make a wireframe for that application. Then you have some hands-on experience. So yeah. So yeah, this is what about wireframe. In my upcoming videos, I try to make tool related videos like Figma or else any project management tools. These kind of videos I try to make. So thanks for watching this video. If you feel this video is very helpful or useful, please Let me know in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.